Commuter bikes. This one right here is a solid option for several different reasons. I'm going to start with my favorite, which is this powerful 750 watt engine. Why is it such a great idea to purchase a bike with a powerful engine? Let's say that you have to commute into work, you have a longer distance commute. This powerful engine will more closely sustain the 28 mile per hour top speed of this bicycle. So if you have a long commute, it'll get you to work a little bit closer on time. Now let's also say you have to haul some stuff into work. This has a built-in sturdy rear rack. Check that out right there. It said it has a max load of 120 pounds. You could, I believe you could fit a kid in the kid seat on there. You can fit books, all kinds of stuff. And there are different accessories, a pretty robust list of accessories that we can help hook you up with to get the most out of your cargo rack here. And now here's what comes to the sort of the final item that I'd really like to point out, and that's the fact that this is a foldy bike. You see this lever right here? When you unclick that, you fold this bike in half and you have a smaller footprint. Well, why is that important? Let's say you live out in the Virginia suburbs and maybe you work for a federal agency somewhere in Maryland. You ride the 2, 3, 5 miles, whatever it is, into the metro, fold this bike to take up a smaller footprint on the metro, ride it out to Maryland, wherever you're going. And when you get to your stop, you unfold it and ride it the other couple miles in. So you save gas, you save tolls. This is really, really a remarkable solution, especially for people that have the problem of having to fight all that traffic to go from working from home the last several years back to the office. This is a great solution. If you'd like to try one out, come on in to Strictly E-Bikes in Old Town Alexandria. We'd be glad to set you up.